Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello everyone. We are back again with a new video on PostgreSQL. In this session, we are going to apply padding and trim function on string. Let's begin the session. In the first section, we will focus on padding. Padding is used to add special characters to the left or right of a string. PostgreSQL used lpad or rpad functions to pad a string on the left or right respectively. The arguments of both the functions are same. First, a string that should be padded on the left or right based on the function. The second one is the length of the result string after padding. And the final one is a string that used for padding. Now move to the next section. In this section, we are going to use trim function to remove spaces or a particular character from a string. We can also remove the largest string containing a character from the start, end, or both the start and the end of a string. The string can be of character, varchar, or text data types. This trim function is very useful when we want to remove unwanted characters from a string in the database. Let's consider this trim syntax. The leading, trailing, and both are the positions in where we want to trim. If we want to trim any specific characters, we have to mention this here. PostgreSQL provides ltrim, rtrim, and btrim that are the shorter version of the trim function. Now we are going to the pgadmin and work with padding and trim functions. We are starting with padding. For our demonstration, we will use customer table. This first name column contains character data. We want to pad the first name from the left and from the right. For left padding, we use lpad function, and first argument will be the column name, then final length of the string, and the last one is the character that will be used for padding. Let's execute it. In case of first row, Jared is a name of the length 5. After applying lpad with the length 10, we have received a string of length 10 with 5 star padding characters on the left. And in case of Mary, there are 6 star padding characters. Now rpad, which is the same as lpad, only the padding will be from the right. In case of the same Jared, we have 5 padding characters now on the right. Now move to the trim function. First one is trim with leading from. So it will trim from the left. Then trim with trailing from. It will trim from the right. And for the third one, the trim will be from both sides. Let's execute these. So first one trimmed from left, second one trimmed from right, and third one from both sides. PostgreSQL provides ltrim, rtrim, and btrim functions. Those are the shorter version of the trim function. So ltrim trimmed from left, rtrim from right, and btrim from both the sides. Now in the final section, we will use trim functions to remove character from the string. This ltrim function will remove e from the left, rtrim will remove character from the right, and btrim will remove from both sides. So trim function can trim space or any character from left, right, or both sides. With this, we are finishing our demonstration in pgadmin, now returning to the presentation. Today in this session, we have demonstrated how to apply pad and trim functions in PostgreSQL. That's all for today.